Today, I'm diving into a world where AI is set to replace 85 million jobs, and I'm challenging myself to figure out how I can survive and thrive in this new reality. The topic of AI's impact on employment is one that's been grabbing headlines and sparking heated debates across the globe, and it's about time we tackle it head-on. The reality is that technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and it's naive to think that our jobs are completely safe from the impending robot revolution. The challenge we're facing is no longer just about being adaptable to new technologies, but about being willing to reinvent ourselves entirely. The World Economic Forum estimates that by 2022, over 75 million jobs will be displaced, while 133 million new ones will emerge that are vastly different from the ones we know today. The question on everyone's mind is, will we be ready to take on these new roles, or will we be left behind? We're already seeing the early signs of this transformation in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and customer service, where machines are increasingly taking over tasks that were previously done by humans. This raises a critical question. What skills do we need to acquire to stay relevant in this new landscape? The answer is not a simple one, but it's clear that we need to be proactive in upskilling and reskilling if we want to stay ahead of the curve. As we move forward, it's essential that we redefine what it means to be employable in the age of AI. It's no longer just about having a degree or a certain set of skills. It's about being able to continuously learn, adapt, and evolve. From drivers to doctors, AI is transforming industries and professions in ways we never thought possible. The retail sector, for instance, is being revolutionized by chatbots and virtual assistants, which can answer customer queries and provide personalized recommendations. Meanwhile, in healthcare, AI-powered systems are helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and develop personalized treatment plans. In the finance sector, AI-driven tools are streamlining accounting and bookkeeping, making it possible for businesses to automate tasks and reduce errors. And in the education sector, AI-based learning platforms are changing the way we learn, providing personalized instruction and real-time feedback. The list goes on, but the point is that AI is not just a threat to certain jobs. It's a catalyst for innovation and growth across industries. And as we adapt to this new reality, we have an opportunity to reskill and upskill in ways that will unlock new opportunities and drive progress. So, how can we thrive in this new landscape? One compelling insight is that AI is not a replacement for human skills like creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. In fact, the World Economic Forum identifies these as the top skills required for the jobs of the future. We've seen countless examples of individuals who have adapted to the changing job market and thrived as a result. From workers who've transitioned from manufacturing to coding, to entrepreneurs who've created new businesses around AI-driven services, the possibilities are endless. The key takeaway from today's discussion is that the world is changing rapidly, and it's up to us to change with it. The necessity of adapting to technology and the importance of lifelong learning cannot be overstated. So, what do you think about job security in the age of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the skills you need to stay ahead in this new landscape, be sure to check out our video on the top career skills for the future.